Welcome. This instructional video is going to review how to upload a home description and pictures. So the very first thing that you need to do is get to your community's available inventory and brokerage page. So on the screen here you can see we're reviewing Pine Lake Gardens and Estates in Florida. This is their available inventory and brokerage page. Then you want to scroll down and select the particular home that you're most interested in for uploading the description and photographs. So you see here, just click View Inventory. We're going to select this site. This is a new home under construction. And you're going to scroll down into the PO. So obviously this is the purchase order of the home, which reviews all the nitty-gritties and all the details associated with this home. You're going to scroll about midway down till you see the photo upload section, which is right here. Now, one thing to point out, the company policy is the moment a new home PO is issued by corporate, you will immediately upload a black and white photograph of the floor plan. So a floor plan image, which if you don't have in your possession, you could actually probably find it right here under floor plan and plot plan. This may or may not be here, but it is. This copy is a little bit blurry. You know, if you could capture it, it would probably suffice, but you'd want to definitely get rid of all this garbage on the right margin. It says Skyline and just a bunch of numbers here. You probably want to white that out, and then this would suffice. But if you don't have that, you could always contact your regional manager or go direct to the factory and get the floor plan from the factory rep. We want the best image, clean, crisp, sharp. So back to the photo upload section. So you want to post that floor plan image as well as a home description the moment that purchase order has been issued by corporate. That way you have a chance of pre-selling it, because you know, after you post the description and floor plan, you're going to post it to the website, and then you know the world can see it, and you might just get lucky and get it pre-sold before it's even finished. So that's the idea. So how do you do that? Well, you're in the photo upload section. You simply want to click the edit button. And you'll see here it brings you to a screen where you can then type in the title, you know, catchy phrase, catchy title of the home, and then insert in this larger box, you insert the, I always call, mouth-watering description of the home. Something that's really going to create a mental image for the viewer of the website. So what I recommend doing is going to Word and just type out what you want to say on Word. This way your spelling and punctuation will be perfect. You can actually do a character count because we have a minimum of 350, maximum of 600 characters. So it won't upload unless you meet that parameter. So this does all that for you. And then just simply copy and paste. Copy it. We're going to go ahead and paste it right here into the title. I'm going to then copy the body and paste that. Okay, so now I'm done with that, and it made it so much easier using Word. Only a couple more steps. If you notice in the upper left corner, pre-selected checked box says Post on Public Website. By default, that will always be checked, but it does not mean that it's going to post to the website. This home will not post automatically to the website until the sales department completes the final finish walkthrough from operations or construction and completes the home inspection checklist. There needs to be 5 or less minor deficiencies for the home to be quote-unquote home show ready. You do this checklist in the PO of the home, and this is done the moment construction says, hey, we're finished with the home, sales, please go inspect our work. Sales would do the inspection, complete the checklist, and then approve the checklist if it has 5 or less deficiencies, small deficiencies, nothing earth-shattering. And that home becomes home show ready, ready for occupancy, RFO for short. Now, if that's the case, then this home would automatically, upon that, post to the website, with or without pictures. However, because this home has not even been delivered to the community, and obviously, therefore, the checklist has not been completed, but yet we desire to post this on the hometown website so that we have a chance of pre-selling it, you need to select Override Website Exclusion. Right here, Override Website Exclusion. It's being excluded from the website because the checklist has not been complete. By selecting this box, you override that function. Okay, now you're ready. Click Update, and you can scroll back down to the middle of the PO and you see Hilltop Bungalow with huge lanai. That's the title. You see the description has auto-populated, and you now are on the website. You're live on the website. How do I know this? Well, right here, this message went from not on the website to this property is available on the public website. So it's telling you that right here. Okay. Once you upload the description and the title, now you're free to upload photographs. So here's where you will have saved, and I'll just show you a floor plan. I'm okay with this verbiage, it tells square footage, that's okay. And you will upload this black and white floor plan. All you simply have to do is click Browse, search for it on your hard drive, and then click Upload. And that will upload. You don't have to save it as a JPEG or a PDF. The editing team at corporate will make those adjustments for you. And we're even good like, well, we can rotate this around so that it orients correctly. All that'll be done for you at corporate. Obviously, courtesy, you want to get it the best you can, but don't let this be a stumbling block if it's not, if it's in a PDF, corporate will save it as a JPEG, because these files actually, to upload these pictures, they all have to be JPEG. So, but you don't have to worry about that. We've got that covered for you. Okay, and that is about it. There's one other little thing I just want to point out. You see right here under the edit screen where we put the description in, the video URL. This is for those of you who like to take a 2 or maybe 3 minute at most quick video using your iPhone and uploading it to the HTA website. This is how we would do it. You'd actually have to upload it to YouTube, to a particular YouTube channel. We have YouTube, we have a corporate YouTube channel. We can create a community YouTube channel if you don't have one already, and you could upload all your videos there, and then you would locate the YouTube embedded link, and you'd put the embedded link in here. The embedded link is a little bit different than the regular copy-paste link. You need the embedded link. There will be a separate video on how to upload a YouTube video to get on the HTA website. But this is exactly where you need to do that. That's it. That's how you upload a photograph and description and get that active on the website. Noting that the moment the PO is issued, you got to get the description and a floor plan of the home, such as this. You got to get that uploaded into this area so that people can view the home before it's even home show ready, and you might have a chance of pre-selling it. All right, thank you so much.